flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be?
Hey y'all! If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I will be having a laundry motivation video for you guys. I hope this video motivates somebody, get somebody up on this beautiful Thursday morning, do some laundry, light some candles, do some cleaning, just whatever, just a relaxing video. I don't have much laundry. That is because one member of my household was gone on vacation for a week, so I don't have as much, but nevertheless I still have some. So what I am doing now is just sorting the clothes, getting the whites and the colors, separated, the husband uniform separated from everything, and we're just gonna get this show on the road. So I want you guys to sit back and enjoy this video until its entirety, and I hope this video motivates, uplifts somebody to want to go clean, do some laundry, wash some dishes, whatever you feel like you need to do for as household wise. So enough of me talking, just sit back and enjoy the video.
Loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. Talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. before you try being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes you fall. 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 Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump off my back, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, working all day.
I hope this video motivated somebody today. I hope it inspired somebody today, and I want to thank you guys for stopping by on my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you go hit the subscribe button. Please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn your bell on. That way you will not miss an upload when I do post. And to my subscribers out there, my supporters, you already know I love you guys. I truly, truly, truly do. None of this would be possible without you, like, for real, for real. Like, I put my content out for you because you guys support me so much, and I appreciate that, like, dearly. Until the next time, until the next video. Thanks for hanging out with your girl Dee. Bye.